Hey, what's up, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this thing started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Coming back at y'all with the what? Double unboxing, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We're
Yes,
blowing out the
sir.
budget. Hey, Sneakerheads, go and give us this video a like. But y'all understand, me and my bro, we don't get paid that much. Between me and him, we split $45 a month. So definitely, we show one too. We definitely over the budget. So
Yes,
let's go
sir.
and break these open. We know we probably already seen these before. Look at this channel, like we don't make a lot of money, so we can't bring y'all early shoes stuff, but we will bring y'all what we do buy. Now, as you seen this, that regular Jordan, man, you know what that is, right? Big boy size 12.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite wood. Bam!
Mm.
Black Pandas, aka Jordan 11 Gratitudes. This is a very clean shoe. If you don't have these sneakerheads, go ahead and scoop them up now. I believe prices are fairly reasonable. My size 10, you can still get them for about 250. So if you want these, go on and scoop them up, sneakerheads. But again, you seen these come out in December. Just had this box laying around. Just haven't had a chance to open these yet, but just want to share this unboxing with y'all. Again, we've seen these. We're not gonna spend all day on these. Very clean shoe, in my opinion.
Yes, sir.
Believe it or not, sneakerheads, this is the time to buy right now. A lot of stuff is going on sale. So if you're a sneakerhead and you can afford to purchase some shoes, go ahead and scoop them up. Moving on to our second shoe. These came from across the water. They kept on getting delayed. I was kind of worried that I was going to get them, but they finally arrived. Again, this is my first time seeing these in hand, so kind of excited to see these.
Drum roll.
You know, the box already. Remove the
Yes,
these on
sir. Them
the
fours.
black cement with that red Jumpman black logo in white. This is a very clean pair. Again, big boy size 13. Unfortunately, like I told you, I wasn't able to hit on my size, but I said I did hit on one overseas raffle, and this is it. So again, we have this Jordan 4 bread. And if you didn't know the history about this shoe, when this came out originally back in the day, these were called the black cements. Believe it or not, sneakerheads. Don't look that up. You don't believe me. Again, this is a very clean shoe, very nice shoe. That soft tumble leather, fully leather upper. And this is an iconic colorway. Um, we are in that, they say when that Nike swoosh where it goes like this, the price start off high and then it goes low and comes back up high. So right now we are on the decline. So start looking out if you haven't secured your pair like I am right now. I think my size is starting to come down to like 270, which is still high, but like I said, I want to get these at around 250. I don't know if they'll ever go that low, but um, I'm just trying to get these at the lowest price possible because at this point I will have to pay resale if I want these. But again, this shoe has been reviewed a lot of times, so I'm not gonna waste your time and go through all the details with this, but we'll just go real quick. Again, all over leather upper. Those have those gray honeycomb hits. On the back, you do see that Nike Air branding, which everyone loves, in gray. We think that's a nice touch. Moving around, we do have that white midsole. It makes the shoe pop. Around to the bottom, we do have the standard Jordan 4 bottom. Does have that Nike branding right there in red. Moving around to the toe and the toe. You see that widow's peak right there. That's how you can tell if your pair is real or not. So that's one of the ways you can tell the fake from the real. It does have that nice light logo patch on the tongue, that bright red Jordan Jumpman. On the inside, as we know, flip around this way, it does say Air Jordan on the back of this tag. Again, the tongue is red. Sock liner is gray. It does have a red insole with, I know you can't see it, but it's Nike with the Nike swoosh on the insole. It does come with this black hang tag right here. Um, if they would have been OG, it would have been orange, but I guess because this is a bread re-image, then they decided to go with this black hang tag. Again, this is a clean shoe, in my opinion. It does have that nice, softer rubber in the back, so you don't have to worry about cutting your ankle right there. This is known as the knife or cutter. It cuts the back of your ankle, but again, it's nice, softer rubber, in my opinion. And these are supposed to be soft, just like the SB4s, even though the SB4s will be a little bit softer, but it's supposed to be one of the most comfortable as far as cushioning goes. Jordan bread 4s that was made so far. So I know you the bread lover, bread 4 man. What do you think about these, my brother?
Hey, fan from day one. I'm a four. My ones, fours. You know, ones and fours. So I'm a fan of that out the gate. You know, so I'll be rocking those. Be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below. Drop us a comment down below on either shoe. You know, the 11s or the fours. Which ones you'll be rocking or dropping? Yes, sir. Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.